First, measure and mark 4 feet and cut 2 pieces. Next, measure 21 inches and cut 3 pieces. Now measure 18 inches and cut 1 piece. Here I am cutting 2 pieces around 5 inches for supports. This is the very incorrect way of doing this, so please don't replicate that. I forgot to film this part, but I'm cutting 2 pieces of wood around 20 inches for the base of the outboard stand. So by the end, you should have 2 pieces 4 feet long, 3 pieces 21 inches long, 1 piece 18 inches long, and 2 pieces around 20 inches long for the base. As far as assembly goes, I put the 18-inch piece and sandwich it between the 2 4-foot pieces. Then I put the 20-inch pieces on the ground for the base. And now I'm putting one of the 21-inch pieces in the second 21-inch piece to finish the base. And then the last 21-inch piece will go in the middle to add more support. Hey guys, thanks for watching. Please consider subscribing and have a nice day.